By the end of this video, you're gonna know whether or not you're shadow banned, what a TikTok shadow ban actually is, and if you are shadow banned, you're going to know exactly how to get rid of it. The good news is that 99% of you guys that are actually watching this video right now, you're probably not shadow banned. You might just be doing something wrong, or you made a mistake, but it's not a real shadow ban. If you're actually shadow banned on TikTok, you're going to get 0 views, you're going to get absolutely no views, and TikTok is not gonna allow people to actually see your content. But for that 1% of you that actually are shadow banned, this might be the video that kind of ruins your life. First and foremost, a TikTok shadow ban is when literally nobody is seeing your video. Now this can mean that absolutely 0 people are seeing your video, or you're getting 0% of your views from the For You page. Now listen, if you're getting 1% of your views from the For You page, 5%, 60%, this does not mean that you're shadow banned. You have another issue going on that I'm gonna touch on how to solve later in this video, but if you're getting absolutely 0 views from the TikTok For You page, or just 0 views in general, there is a chance that you're shadow banned. And ultimately, this can happen for 10 different reasons. But before we dive into the 10 reasons that are going to get you shadow banned on TikTok, I need you to smash that subscribe button so you never miss another episode about how to grow on TikTok, how to get views on TikTok, or any other video that I put out on YouTube. Because trust me, whether this is your first time seeing my content or you've seen my content before, my content is going to help you grow faster on TikTok, get more views on TikTok, and make more money on TikTok. So here are the 10 potential reasons that you could have gotten shadow banned on TikTok. First, you got banned on live. Secondly, you actually got banned on TikTok. Third, you posted copyrighted content or posted content that you didn't have the rights to. Fourth, you might have liked on your page or engaged with a page from a different page that's on the same device. Fifth, you could have been using a VPN, which is a huge no-no when it comes to TikTok. But if you want to know how to successfully use a VPN, I'm going to be sharing that later in this video. Number 6, you could have recently traveled to a new country or to a different area, which could have flagged your account on TikTok, and now they've shadow banned your account. Number 7, you could have bought followers or faked engagement, or you could have bought a new account, which again is a huge no-no. If you've done this, we're gonna go through how to solve this later in this video. And then finally, the last 2 reasons is 1, you could have uploaded content that was from a different account, or just content that you didn't have the rights to at all, or you could have mass deleted or privated posts, which again is going to prevent the amount of views that you're getting on TikTok. Newsflash, liking your own videos, using hashtag FYP, or just doing stupid things like that is not going to get you shadow banned on TikTok. I don't know why so many creators say that you can't do these things on TikTok. It's not going to get you shadow banned. Even you telling people to go to the link in your bio, or to go to your OnlyFans, or to go to something like that in your comment section, it's not going to get you shadow banned. It is going to have TikTok throttle the amount of views that you're getting. Why? Because TikTok doesn't want you to be able to push people off of the app. They want you to keep people on the app. That's how TikTok makes money. That's how TikTok gets paid. Just because TikTok isn't pushing out your post because you told people to go to the link in your bio or something along the lines of that doesn't mean that you're shadow banned. Even doing a giveaway on TikTok, yes, they're going to throttle the amount of views that you get. If you want more views, keep people on the app. Now, if you did any of the 10 things that I just mentioned before in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to solve all of these things, how to solve your shadow ban, and I'm even gonna give you a timeline of how long it's going to take to fix this. But first, I need you to get my free TikTok growth course at the pinned comment below if you haven't already. It's going to tell you a ton of different secrets that you can use to get more views and more followers on TikTok, no matter what stage of your TikTok journey you're at. So, first and foremost, if you got banned on TikTok Live, you need to make sure that you do a couple things. First, you need to make sure that you appeal that ban. You need to report a problem, say that you didn't actually do anything that got banned, but if you did do something that got banned, this is going to hurt your account. Now, this is going to hurt your account for 1 to 2 weeks. The only thing that you can do in the meantime is just keep putting out content and try to make as high quality content as possible. If you're posting a lot right now, I wouldn't recommend posting a lot. I would only recommend posting 1 or 2 times a day, really quality content, and this is going to get you back on the For You page within 1 to 2 weeks. Now, if you got banned on TikTok recently, it might have been for a day, it might have been for 3 days, it might have been for a week, you're going to have to do the same thing. Put out 1 or 2 pieces of quality content every single day. It really helps if you do reposts during this time, and it will take about 2 to 3 weeks in order for you to get back on the For You page. You have to understand, you got banned on TikTok, so TikTok doesn't know whether or not they should trust you, doesn't know whether or not they should put your content out, which means they're going to throttle your views. This is not a true shadow ban. A true shadow ban you cannot get out of. But what you're gonna have to do is keep posting, keep putting out quality content for 2 to 3 weeks, and then you'll get back on the For You page. Your views will totally go back to normal. And did I mention, you need to make sure that you have no copyright violations and no posts taken down during this time. If you're the type of creator that gets a ton of posts taken down, you need to go through, read the community guidelines, make sure you're not doing those things that are going to have TikTok take your post down. Even if the post is taken down by accident, it's going to hurt your account. Number 3, if you took a long time off of posting, the only thing that you could do is get back to regular posting on TikTok. Do not delete videos, do not private videos. You never want to do this. So if you took a long time off of posting on TikTok, the only thing that you can do, again, get back to regularly posting. That's the only thing that's gonna get you back on the For You page. What probably happened here is you're not shadow banned, you just don't know how the current TikTok algorithm works, which means you need to check out my latest content to find out what the update is for the latest TikTok algorithm update, and then start posting according to that. Number 4, if and only if you had a video taken down and you lost the appeal, then you can delete the video, then you could private the video. Or if you had a video taken down for the sound that's on it, because the sound was copyrighted, then delete that video, then private that video. Leaving these videos up on your page is going to hurt you. Please make sure you delete them, make sure you private them, again, only after you've lost the appeal. Number 5, if you recently traveled to a different country, this one is really going to hurt you. I've helped so many creators get out of this, and honestly, it is a huge pain in the ass. It's going to take about a month. It could take up to 60 days for TikTok to recalibrate and realize that you're now in your home time zone, and it wasn't that you were using a VPN or that you let somebody else log into your account, because their default is thinking that that is what's going on. But you need to keep posting on TikTok. Again, you're going to lose followers during this time period. Yes, this is an actual shadow ban. You're going to lose followers during this time period. You're not going to be on the For You page, which means the more content you put out, the more it's going to hurt your account. I strongly suggest during this time period, posting 1 time a day until you get back on the For You page. Now, with number 6, if you guys use the VPN on TikTok, you need to realize something. You can only use a VPN. It's got to be on 24/7. If it goes off while you're scrolling on TikTok, while TikTok's location services is on your phone, you're going to be screwed. TikTok knows that you use a VPN. Now, you're going to get 0 views every single time that you post. So please, I would just recommend not using a VPN. If you're in some other country, people in the US probably aren't going to buy what you're selling. They're probably not going to watch your content because there's just so many cultural differences. I would strongly suggest you posting for your country. Try to be the biggest creator in France, in England, wherever you are, South Africa, wherever you are. Try to be the biggest creator there. There's gonna be a lot more money for you to make if you just do that instead of using a VPN, getting shadow banned on TikTok, having to restart over again, all because of some stupid thing like your VPN went out or your sister might have canceled your VPN. Now, if you've engaged with your TikTok from another TikTok on your phone, this is not going to directly shadow ban you, but it will make TikTok throttle your views because TikTok thinks that you're trying to manipulate the algorithm, you're trying to get more engagement. Just stop doing this, guys. It is not helping. What you need to do if you're doing this, you need to put out quality content. People are going to watch it. You're going to get more views than you could have ever imagined. Stop trying to fake engagement on TikTok. Now, we're gonna lump number 8 and number 9 together. If you bought followers on TikTok, do not do this. If you bought fake engagement on TikTok, do not do this. And if you had the audacity to buy somebody else's TikTok account, you guys need to realize TikTok has great facial recognition. They know if you did this. They're not going to give you the views that the other person got. Buying a TikTok account is absolutely worthless. Using somebody else's TikTok account is absolutely worthless. Do not buy followers, do not buy likes, do not buy other TikTok accounts. Yes, this might have worked on Instagram, but this is not going to work on TikTok. In fact, the second that you log in from a different location, TikTok is going to know that it's not that person. So now they think that you're trying to manipulate the app, and that's why you're not going to get anywhere near as many views. So please, do not buy followers, do not buy likes, do not buy engagement, and do not buy somebody else's TikTok account. Now finally, if you mass deleted or mass privated videos, I strongly suggest you just get back to regularly posting. This can take 3 to 4 weeks to solve. Think about it. TikTok wants to push stuff out on the For You page. They push out posts for a long period of time, for 30 to 60 days. So if you had a post that was 30 days old, they still could have been showing it to other people, trying to find an audience for that content, trying to get you a delayed explosion. If you don't know what a delayed explosion is, it's when your post goes viral a week after, 3 days after, or even a month after you actually posting it. Now, that being said, when you delete videos, when you private videos, you're taking them out of the TikTok algorithm. TikTok is gonna be pissed about that. They had this thing in there, it was working, they were trying to get you more views, and now you just took it away from them. So what do you think they're gonna do? Reward you by giving you more followers or giving you more views? No, they're going to throttle your content. So stop deleting videos, stop privating videos. If you did this, just get back to posting normally and stop doing it. Now at this point in the video, if you still think you're shadow banned and you haven't done any of the things that I just mentioned, the good news is you're not shadow banned. The bad news, you're not putting out content at the right time, you're not using the right hashtags, you're not creating the right content. But I can save you. If you want me to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags use to guarantee that you grow on TikTok, you need to keep watching this video. And to cap this video off, please remember, if you don't have at least 100 followers for every 1,000 likes that you have on TikTok, you are doing something terribly wrong and we need to talk. You literally should have 100 followers for every 1,000 likes that you have. If that's not your ratio, you need to talk to me because I'm telling you, you're leaving a ton of followers on the table right now. And in the future, when TikTok's incredibly monetizable and followers really matter on TikTok, well then guess what? You're missing out on dollars. You're missing out on dollars that you could have, your family could have. You guys need to make sure that you're taking advantage of this golden opportunity on TikTok right now because there's more reach than we have ever seen on any other social media platform, and you need to make sure you're incentivizing engagement at the end of your videos to guarantee that you grow on TikTok. All that being said, if you want guaranteed growth on TikTok, then you need to get into my mentorship program at the link in the description. To put it simply, I'm literally going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use to guarantee that you grow on TikTok in your niche. It doesn't matter what your background is, whether or not you speak English, what country you're in, or even if you think your niche is really hard to grow in, I guarantee that I can help you grow. The lowest amount of followers anybody has ever gotten from the mentorship program was 6,500 followers, and on average in September, people gained over 70,000 followers in the 30 days during the mentorship program. Now you heard me. I said on average. What does that mean? That means over 50% of those people literally gained more than 70,000 followers in just a 30-day period. Now, since you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you think you're above average, right? You probably are. So you'll gain more followers than that if you get into the mentorship program. So please, you guys need to invest in yourself. You need to stop being a cynic. If you thought that TikTok was going away, TikTok is not going anywhere. It's been 2 years since all that stuff happened, and you're still not taking TikTok seriously. So now's the time to get over that. Invest in TikTok, invest in your future self, get the followers you want, get the views that you want, and get into my mentorship program. If you're not interested in that, watch the 2 videos I'm gonna put up on the screen, because they're the videos that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.